Right here with the Tombstone Riders. Well, I'm on a 1,500-mile road trip from southern Arizona. I spent last night in Kingman, Arizona and soaked in some of its Route 66 charm. Today I'm heading across the Hoover Dam, then around Lake Mead and through the Valley of Fire State Park. This trip is a perfect mix of freedom and solitude that every rider dreams about. The scenery coming up to the dam is pure Arizona. Dry washes, volcanic rock, and the occasional Joshua tree standing guard by the roadside. This stretch has earned a reputation among motorcyclists as one of the best desert rides in the Southwest. A balance of sweeping curves, big sky, and the endless horizon that seems to pull you forward. I am in awe as I approach the Hoover Dam, a concrete titan straddling the border of Arizona and Nevada. And that's just where this video begins. Just above the dam is the Mike O'Callahan-Pat Tillman Memorial Bridge, offering one of the most breathtaking views in the Southwest. From up there, you can see the full sweep of the Hoover Dam, the turquoise waters of Lake Mead, and the Colorado River snaking away into the canyon, and the desert stretches endlessly beyond. And here's a cool twist. When you cross the dam, you literally cross from Arizona into Nevada and jump back an hour in time, thanks to the time zone change. How's that for a trip? Standing 726 feet tall and stretching 1,244 feet across, this massive curved wall of concrete holds back Lake Mead, the largest reservoir in the United States. Built during the Great Depression between 1931 and 1936, it took the sweat and courage of over 20,000 workers to complete it, in brutal desert heat and under almost unimaginable conditions. When you ride across it, you can feel the history. The dam's Art Deco design, the power intake towers, the geometric patterns in the concrete, it all feels like something out of the 1930s vision of the future. And here's a fun detail. When it was completed, the Hoover Dam is the tallest dam and the largest concrete structure on Earth. Even today, it's considered one of the greatest engineering marvels of the modern world. Underneath my tires are 17 hydroelectric turbines that still power homes across Nevada, Arizona, and California. The Hoover Dam didn't just tame the Colorado River, it powered it, the rise of American Southwest. Without it, cities like Las Vegas, Phoenix, and Los Angeles wouldn't exist as they do today. When the Hoover Dam was completed in 1936, it contained about 3.25 million cubic yards of concrete, and the concrete is still curing today. Engineers estimated that if the dam had been poured in one continuous block, it would have taken 125 years to cool and cure fully. To speed things up, they poured the dam in interlocking blocks and ran cooling pipes through the concrete to carry away the heat. Because the dam straddles the border between Arizona and Nevada, it technically sits between two time zones. Arizona doesn't observe daylight savings time, but Nevada does, meaning for part of the year, the two sides of the dam are an hour apart. Back in the day, dam workers used to joke that they could eat lunch in Nevada and get back to work in Arizona before they left. It's one of those rare moments when you realize this isn't just a ride across a dam, it's a ride across history, innovation, and human determination. After the dam, the road winds gently into Boulder City, a town built in the 1930s to house the dam's workers, and one that still feels like it's from another era. No casinos, no flashing lights, just old school Americana charm and friendly faces. It's a perfect place to roll in, kick off your helmet, grab a well-earned breakfast at the Coffee Cup Café, which is a local legend and a must-stop for riders, locals, and travelers alike. It's been around since 1938, serving up big breakfast, strong coffee, and plenty of character. Featured on diners, drive-ins, and dives, it's the kind of place where the walls are covered in stories, photos, license plates, and memories from generations of travelers who've passed through. After miles of desert road and one of the greatest engineering feats on the planet, there's nothing better than sitting down here and soaking in that old school Nevada charm. Because rides like this, from Kingman to Hoover Dam to Boulder City, remind us why we love the road. The freedom, the history, the people, and of course, a really good cup of coffee. Until next time, keep the rubber side down, my friends, and never stop chasing the horizon.